In the last video, we talked about using prompts to build a project with real-world business context. Today, we're finally jumping into the analysis. Hi, it's Amber here. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences and learn together with you, as we dive into creating analysis projects from scratch. This analysis is based on an article from Supply Chain Brain, called Why the Old Rules of Peak Season Retailing No Longer Apply. Here are my quick takeaways. 1. The old start planning at Thanksgiving mindset is outdated. Retail needs year-round readiness. 2. Post-COVID, demand patterns changed. Peaks are no longer tied to fixed holidays. For the analysis, I always use two parts. One is business analysis. Second is SQL challenge. For this case, I wanted to focus on how post-COVID demand patterns shifted, so I used a simple comparison table based on what I've learned from my own work experience. For the SQL challenge, I picked this question based on the suggestion from Claude. Calculate each store's weekly absence rate for the past 12 weeks and measure the week-over-week change. So let's start with step 1. Create a table. Here are the columns I need for the analysis. The table name is employee shifts. After that, I list the column names and their data types. Then I choose which column should be the primary key. A primary key uniquely identifies each record and cannot be null. Lastly, I add the options. Index works like a table of contents. It helps find data faster. Engine equals InnoDB uses row-level locking instead of locking the whole table. So now we've got our table and columns ready. For inserting values, I'll use Claude to generate mock data, so we don't have to fill each column manually. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we can move on to the SQL challenge question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.